Welcome back on this channel, Bratan. Today is Monday and we see Bitcoin exactly as I told you in the last videos. We see Bitcoin pumping, and the perfect Bitcoin strategy, or not the perfect crypto strategy, is, in my opinion, as I showed you in the last videos and as it proved, is the SMC trading, smart money concept. This is when you're watching where is the most of liquidity, and this is what usually the market makers are tend to go to grab the liquidity, and this is exactly where you get liquidated, where they grab your money, and then we see the market moving up or down. I explain you again in a second this, but before we are jumping in this, I want to show you how perfectly I bought Pepe, bro. Shit, look at this. Wait, I explain you. You see here, I sold Pepe because I was long. Here I sold Pepe with 20k in profit. I sold. Then I bought it here again. Look at this. I bought it here again. You see almost the bottom. It's before I have to explain you the perfect. You will never reach the perfect bottom or the perfect top, but this you can call almost perfect. I bought Pepe and now we see pumping. I'm 14k in profit, and you can just go back and watch my videos. I explained everything to the point. And where I will sell it, I will sell it here at 0.48 approximately 1148. I will sell it. It will be hopefully 36k in profit. I will explain you again step by step why I am thinking that we will reach it, bro. Please, if you want to be successful, do always the opposite what I'm showing you. Yeah, because some people in the comments are shitting in my comments that I said yesterday one thing, then I said another thing. I mean, there are people really dumb who are just following my trades, but the more even stupid people who are just reading the titles and trading according to my titles. You have to watch the video until the end to understand it, bro. You have to, otherwise you will not understand. So let's jump straight in here. We see Bitcoin is pumping, and as I said, in my opinion, we will see this dump to this 58k area, 0618, or even 54k, because 54k is CME gap and we have a huge of massive liquidity there. But before, as I said, we have a big chunk of liquidity now formed at 65k and even now at 67k. So let me show you here. We start here on Bitcoin. This could be a bit longer video. If you want, you can just watch Bitcoin, because I will later analyze also Pepe and Fed, because I'm considering, and fuck, I'm getting greedy because I want to short also. I want to start shorting. Fuck. This is the moment when you know you will lose. This is the moment when you know. And you know what's even crazier? I show you. I sent to my assistant. I said, check out. I want to take some profits on my trades. And I want to rent out. Wait a minute. I want to rent out here some cars. Here, I want to rent out a Porsche. $6,000. Bam! If I make profits on my trade. Okay, so if you want me to do a video how I close my trade and renting out a Porsche, can you imagine fucking how stupid it is, bro? You can live watch it here right now, how stupid this is. So you see there's a massive liquidity here formed at 65k. So that the whales will chase the 65k area, it's almost certain. So we will see here pump of around 65k, 265k, 2% pump. It's almost certain, my opinion. But we see also, but this I can't tell you how likely is it is that we go to 67k. You see, there's even more liquidity at 67k. As high as 70k will not go now. 70k, you see above 70k, this would be like a new all-time high. This liquidity they will grab later, because we are in a bull market. They will grab this liquidity. Right now they're trying, to get you, make you emotional, trying to rent out the Porsche. This is what they want to try it. So what they will do is, I think, so 65k in my opinion almost certain. But 67K, it's also very likely. 70K, no. Why 67K is also very likely? Because we have here a massive resistance line, 67K. So they could go indeed as high as 67K. This is a massive support resistance line, which goes back to, I don't know, almost here. No, is it this one? Wait a minute. No, it's not this one. It's which goes back here to December 2023. You see here resistance, and here also resistance, and here it's getting again as a resistance line. We once tried again to break it, and this we could do a second time. So I expecting at least that we will see pump to 65K, but possibly even to 67K. So this could be 5% pump, possibly, but latest at 67K. I expecting we are getting here rejected at 67K. Where's my brush? Bam, at 67K latest, and then we see drop to 54K or 58K or even to 54K down to close the gap before we see the real bull market start, before we break here this crucial line at 68K. We will not break it now. So there are two scenarios, either to 67K or we are getting at 65 approximately rejecting, going down to 54K and then see pump. Obviously, we could see also, so either we have scenario pump to, here pump to 64K, scenario 1, scenario 2 to 67K, and the dump scenario is either here to 54K, what is much more likely in my opinion, or to 58K. So these are the two scenarios. So you understand here, bam. Oh, look how beautiful this drawing is, bro. So these are for Bitcoin, this scenario. So it's clear. Again, bro, please, if you I'm doing this channel also for the disabled people, but you have really to watch the video, hear the video, or I don't know which disability you have, but please, if you have the disability only to read the titles and trade based on the titles, that's stupid. Also, don't follow my what I'm talking shit here, bro. Come on. Don't take serious what I'm watching. What I'm watching. What I'm watching. If you want to have serious stuff, go follow the other crypto traders, bro. Okay, now where we going now? Now you can just turn off, go back, and we will do for the real people who really losing all of their shit, bro. Please, now I'll be honest. Please don't trade. Please don't trade. This is crazy. You will lose money. 99% losing money because they're getting crazy. Please don't trade. Just watch me and don't trade. Now I show you Pepe. We are going to Pepe and then we go to Fed because I'm really getting here crazy day by day. So we are going Fed. Woo! Okay, Pepe. Fuck, look at this, how beautiful this worked out, bro. Look at this, look at this. How perfectly I entered. I entered here, somewhere here. I had my entry position and now, boom, you see profits. No, my entry was here approximately. But you see how beautifully I'm in profit right now. And perfectly they liquidated here. Look, they took here this liquidity at 106 as exactly as I told you, because there was a lot of liquidity. And here, if you don't believe me, okay, don't believe me, just watch yourself. We go, boom, bro, fuck, I have the feeling I'm like Caesar right now, like Caesar of trading, like Nero, like Caesar, like Johnny Sins of trading, bro. Look at this. They grab perfectly. You see here the liquidity at 104 on Binance. On Bybit it was maybe a bit higher. Here, wait a minute, we go on Bybit. Fuck, that's crazy. Look here, perfectly. They grab the liquidity. They grab the liquidity. Look at this. This is so crazy, bro. You see here, boom. You see, this is the liquidity they grabbed already. 106. Shit, you see here, it's behind. Here's again, now it's dark blue. Dark blue means they grabbed the liquidity. But now you have here a lot of liquidity. 108 up to here. 111. And then there's again liquidity at 1111. And it goes even more up, right? But the liquidity on Bybit ending here at 112, but we have to watch more Binance, because on Binance even more liquidity, I think. So, bro, look at this. Fuck. There's liquidity up to 117. So they will grab all this liquidity, in my opinion. They will go up to 117 here even and grab the liquidity. So I think they could go 117 up here. That's exactly fucking like I predicted. Shit, if this again works out, I go crazy, bro. If this again works out, I will go crazy. Please don't follow this shit what I'm talking here. So this is the next liquidity they will grab. This is the next liquidity they will grab. My take profit is here approximately. My take profit area is here. I will target. This was my last take profit area. I deleted. My take profit area is approximately here. So this is here my take profit. And look, bro, I take profits a little bit earlier because I shitting in my pants. Look, if they grab here the liquidity, then we have here the perfect double top, but the perfect double top. People go here crazy, they go all in long because now the bull market's starting, but it will not start. It will boom, blood, it will go down. We have the perfect double top. We have the perfect price target where the most of liquidity, and I'll show in a second here, you measure from the top to the downside, the M pattern. The price target is here around 0.5, and where's the liquidity? I didn't watch. You see right now, this is the technical shit. This is the technical shit, drawing lines. But now we're checking, is there liquidity at 0.5 approximately, between 0.6 and 0.5? Let's check together. Is there liquidity? We are going, bam, checking the liquidity. Let's go higher here on 3 months. 0.6, there's a lot of liquidity, 0.6. 0.6, 0.5 we have also last liquidity, but 0.6 we have a lot of liquidity as you see here. 0.6 on Binance. Let's check out on Pepe on Bybit. 0.6 you see we have a lot of liquidity. Whew, we have here at 0.8 a lot of liquidity now, but also here at 0.6 we have a lot of liquidity. 0.6 again. Let's check out. Let's check on BitGet maybe, for example. Is there liquidity? Come on, bro. Okay, let's check on... yeah. Oof, look at this liquidity at juice, 0.65. 0.65. So let's check another. Let's check on OKX, Pepe. Is there liquidity down there? Also 0.65 up to 0.65. So 0.65. So there's the most of liquidity here, approximately on all the. I have to move up 0.65. So probably we could go as low as 0.55 because depends how low Bitcoin will go. But my entry after I take here profits, I will take here profits as I showed you here, yeah, at the 1148, and I can show you also and prove it. Here, 1 I can type it in again. 1148. So the fuck all the keyboard with cappuccino. It would be around 25,900. Perfect 6K I can take for my Porsche to rent out. Bam. Yeah, order submission failed because I made already 1148. So I have here my take profit area. And when I will enter again, I will enter my position. I will scalping in because. Will we go as low as 0.5? This is what nobody knows. And this is the point where the greed is coming in. This is the point where you think, bro, but if we go so low and I go on 20, 30, 50, 125x, I will make so much money. But I stay calm, bro. I will stay calm. I will scalping in maybe here at 0.8. I will put the chunk in here. I will put one position in. Here we'll go in in a small position, enter a long position, and then maybe I will here at 0.75 enter one, and here at 0.648. Here approximately, this is where I will scalping in. So I will have 1, 2, 3 limit orders which are adding to my long position, and I will make sure that my stop loss. I will make sure that my stop loss is below here, below this penis here, below 0.4 approximately. Wait a minute, here you see the last one, 0.4, because who knows this fuck faces how low they can bring down Pepe. Or even here I make sure that below 0.26 I will add fucking margin to this trade, so I will not get liquidated, you know. At the end, fuck, I will get liquidated. Hopefully not. So, okay. This is my strategy on Pepe, what I will do, yeah? Maybe I could short it. Chill, bro. No, not shorting now. It's too dangerous. So, fuck, why I moved it up? I have to... Where it was 0.65, I said, yeah? 0.65 approximately, yeah. So, okay, this is my strategy here. On Fed, I took already profits. You remember, on Fed, I took here profits where we had here. I took some profits. Order history, position history here. I took profits here perfectly. I sold it here. You see here I entered almost again at the bottom. I entered here. I sold. Yes, I missed out maybe here on some gains because Fed could go even higher right now. I show you also in a second. But here I made profits. Not much. How I made profits here 1,300. Before I made 2,300. But you know, calculate bam. It's already $4,000, $5,000 already 3/4 of a Porsche renting for a month. It's not bad. So let's check out on Fed. I shit in my pants. I closed too early, but how high Fed can go? So as I said, the most of liquidity in Fed down below is at $1.22, $1.23 approximately. I show you also in a second, but how high we can go. And according to the Fibonacci, it's $1.56. But I found that we could go even higher because you see the most of liquidity lies here at $1.74. So the first one is $1.65 and the next one is $1.74. And if Bitcoin goes as high as here, this 67 or 65K, which would be again a perfect perfect double top, and Pepe would do also a perfect double top. You see here, boom, boom. Perfect double top because the altcoins following Bitcoin. What would do Fed would do also a perfect double top if we're going as high as $1.70 approximately. So the first liquidity level is at where? The first one is at $1.65 approximately. $1.65 here approximately, and the next liquidity level is at $1.74. At $1.74. So $1.74 approximately here. So yes, we could go as high as these two levels, what I'm thinking about. But how low? Wait, now we have to calculate how low, because as I said, I'm expecting Bitcoin to drop, so I'm expecting also Fed to drop because altcoins following Bitcoin. Usually. We have a lot of liquidity, not a lot, but we have some liquidity at $1.23.5. 23.5. So my aim would be here. Let me check on BitGet. Where's the liquidity? Somehow on Max they don't show the liquidity, but anyways, let's check how much on BitGet liquidity is down below there. Wow, why it takes so long? Fuck. Yeah, here at $1.22. You see, there's a lot of liquidity they can grab. Down below to $1.19. But some around $1.23. So what I'm thinking about, maybe this could be a wrong decision, you have to tell me. But so I think Fed will reach here, if Bitcoin further pumping, Fed will reach for sure $1.65 approximately, which would be 8%. But I don't have the balls right now to enter here long. I will wait, but what I will do is shorting down Fed down to the support line, which is a massive support line here from August. And I shorting down, which could be 16% on 5x. I would do on 5x because even if we see here further pump to $1.74, it's only 5%, so I don't get liquidated. But on 5x, you get liquidated 20%, so it has to go as high as $1.97, which could also happen, and I get liquidated. But fuck it, what I should do? Then I get liquidated. But I will enter a short here down to this level at $1.39, maybe. And then I will take profits, or I will go down to $1.28. Yeah, I will go down to $1.28, which would be profits of around 22%. And then I would change into a long back. Here at $1.28, I will go into a long back 5x. Again, the liquidation would be 20% down below at $1.26, because on 5x you get a 20% liquidate, 10x you get, and if the price falls by 10% liquidate. So I do 5x, which they could go also to $1, but I don't think, because there's not a lot of liquidity at $1. It starts again at 95 cents, but I don't think that Fed will drop as low as this. So here I will enter at $1.28 back again, a long position, even though we could go as low as $1.23. This is my strategy. And I will set now a short position at $1.649 on Fed. I have to cancel here my long. I go short. Shit, maybe it's so wrong. Fuck. But bro, you see, you're getting way too emotional, bro. You're getting way too emotional. You have to chill. But what I should do, I will do. Bam, bam. Isolated, max short with 29k. Open short $1.65. My liquidation price is 197. Let's go. I will try, bro. I will try. 30k down. Shit, I really get a little bit now. What is Chase? Chase? I don't know what's that. Doesn't matter. Okay, this I positioned. My take profit on Pepe is also positioned. Let's see. It depends how the market will react. I'm expecting it further to pump. What do you think about it, Bratans? Thank you very much for watching. I kiss you and see you later. Mwah!